Number 1.
1978 Ford F100, price $9,000, comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a green exterior, a matching green interior, and runs on gasoline. It is powered by its original 351 modified engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, a rare and increasingly hard-to-find combination that truly sets this truck apart. The vehicle also features power steering and power brakes, adding comfort and control to its classic performance. This truck delivers impressive speed, strong acceleration, and highly responsive handling. It has benefited from several recent upgrades and maintenance items, including new rims and tires, a new fuel pump, new fuel lines and brake lines, a Holley carburetor, a new distributor with cap and wires, new spark plugs, and a brand new exhaust system. The engine starts on the first turn every time, runs strong, and produces a powerful sound. It also features a manual choke operated from the dash, giving it an authentic classic truck feel.
Number 2.
1994 Ford F150, price $10,000, well-maintained classic pickup with 142,000 miles on the odometer. This two-door short bed truck is powered by a reliable 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, running on gasoline. It features a striking red exterior matched with a red interior, giving it a bold and cohesive 1990s look. The truck currently sits on 90s-style 15x10 wheels, though it can be sold with the original stock wheels for a lower price if preferred. It presents very well and cleans up nicely, reflecting the care it has received over the years. The vehicle comes with a clean Virginia title and a new Virginia inspection, offering added peace of mind to the next owner. Having served reliably for the past 5 years, it is now being offered for sale simply because the owner has too many vehicles.
Number 3.
1979 GMC 1500, price $7,800. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, giving it a clean and cohesive vintage look. As a long bed model, it offers excellent utility and cargo space, while also being a strong candidate for a short bed conversion for those looking to customize. The truck runs and drives well, making it a dependable classic that can be enjoyed right away. For full transparency, it does produce some smoke upon startup, but it continues to perform reliably once running. It sits on good tires and was originally equipped with factory air conditioning, though the AC system is currently not connected. Overall, this GMC 1500 stands as a solid old truck with great potential.
Number 4.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It is powered by a rebuilt 5.7L engine with approximately 7,000 miles since completion, paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission for smooth and reliable performance. The truck also features a professionally installed C-notch rear end and Alden coilovers in the front, enhancing both stance and ride quality. In addition, the front end has undergone a partial rebuild, contributing to improved handling and overall drivability. The current owner has invested around $10,000 in documented work, with receipts available, reflecting the care and attention put into maintaining and upgrading the vehicle. While there are many additional improvements not individually listed, the truck has been consistently maintained and is driven about once a week.
Number 5.
1985 Dodge D150, price $3,500, solid classic pickup that runs and drives great and could easily be used as a daily driver. It has approximately 100,000 miles and is powered by a 318 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck is equipped with a rebuilt Holley 2850 carburetor and runs on gasoline. It features a blue exterior, while the interior will require some attention. As for condition, the drip rails have rust, which is a common issue with first-generation Ram trucks, and they have been repaired with JB Weld. There is also minor rust on the bedsides, but overall, the truck remains very solid. The air conditioning system is not working and is currently disconnected. Additionally, the power windows and radio are not functioning, and the interior needs some work.
Number 6.
1978 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,500. It has 125,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior paired with a brown interior and runs on gasoline. This truck is a highly optioned example, including a factory tachometer dash. It is powered by a later model 454 V8 engine fitted with headers and an aluminum intake manifold, paired with a TH400 automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives, but it remains a project and will require additional work to be fully roadworthy. It has been lowered with a 6/8 drop kit, including a frame notch and nitro drop shocks for improved stance and handling. The entire front suspension is brand new, along with completely new front brakes, including rubber lines and calipers. A new alternator has also been installed, although the truck currently does not have a battery.
Number 7. 1997 Toyota T100, price $6,300, powered by the highly regarded 3.4L V6 engine known for its durability and reliability. It has 215,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and 2WD drivetrain. It features a white exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The truck comes with a clean title in hand. Cosmetically, the clear coat on the hood is peeling, as shown in photos, and the bed shows typical wear consistent with its age. A mounted toolbox is installed in the bed, adding practical storage utility. Additional upgrades include newly reupholstered driver and passenger seats, an aftermarket JVC stereo system with CD and Bluetooth capability, and an aftermarket Flowmaster exhaust system that enhances its sound and performance. Number 8.
2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000, powered by a strong 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance and smooth driving. It features a gray exterior complemented by a matching gray interior, giving the truck a clean and uniform look. The vehicle runs on gasoline and offers the solid capability and durability the Sierra line is known for. The current owner has had the truck for less than a year and decided to part with it after realizing it is simply larger than needed. The truck has been well maintained during ownership, with all fluids changed within the past year. It also comes with brand new tires that have less than 3,000 miles on them, adding extra value and peace of mind for the next owner. The vehicle holds a clean Texas Blue title, making it ready for a smooth transfer.
Number 9.
1980 Chevrolet C10, price $6,800, solid and well-maintained classic pickup. It comes equipped with a 4.1L inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and reliable driving experience. This is a 2WD model powered by gasoline, finished in gray with a matching interior. The truck features a solid frame and body with no rust reported. It runs and drives well and comes with a clean title in hand. This particular C10 retains its factory configuration, originally built without air conditioning or power steering, making it a straightforward and classic example of Chevrolet's durable square-body era.
Number 10.
1985 GMC Sierra, price $5,900, powered by a 5.7L V8 engine equipped with a mild performance cam, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. This truck runs strong and delivers dependable performance, thanks in part to its electric fuel pump system. It features fully functional air conditioning, making it comfortable to drive in warmer weather. The windows have been fitted with all new seals, and the truck has received new dual exhaust mufflers that enhance both sound and efficiency.
Additionally, all lighting has been replaced, ensuring improved visibility and reliability.
Overall, this Sierra runs well and is powered by a strong motor, making it a great example of a well-maintained classic truck.